And welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to build a custom retriever document using LangChain and OpenAI. So what we will basically do is that I have one document which has some data inside it, and we will ask LangChain some question based on that document, and LangChain will try to answer that question will try to answer based on the question what you have asked. So firstly you will require an open API key, so you can go to this documentation, generate open API key. You also require organization ID, so you can go to the settings and get the organization ID as well. Next, create a dot, so create just one folder. Inside that create a .env file, and here inside, instead of my API key, you can add your API key and create an organization ID as well. Now firstly I will show you guys the output. So here you can see I have one text file called facts.txt. You can just create this dummy file and add some facts. Now I can ask it whatever I want. So here if you see inside prompt.py, I have hard coded this question. I have purposefully kept it as vague as possible, like this is not proper grammatically correct sentence, right? I'm asking him like the AI, right, give me the first woman for Nobel, but if you see like give me the first Nobel, give me the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, that should be the correct question, right? But I have tried to kept it as vague as possible. And if I try to run this, so see python prompt.py, you should be able to get like what was your query and what is the result. So here you can see it was able to figure out the result. Now if I try to keep it even more vague, like give me the first woman, okay, and if I try to ask it, like it does get confused, like this is not a this is kind of like a POC application which you can build on top of. So here you can see it says that I'm sorry, I'm not able to understand your question. Okay, so yeah, like this is kind of like a POC, so you can build on top of this. So here you just create a facts.txt file. You can add whatever facts you want to. Next, create a prompt.py file. Instead of prompt.py, you can name it as main.py as well, depends on you. And first you will have to create this requirements.txt. so just create this requirements.txt manually or via command touch requirements.txt. then you will have to open your terminal, cd to your folder, and you will have to run this command. So this creates a virtual environment. Then you will have to activate the virtual environment by running this command. Then we will install LangChain OpenAI, python.env, LangChain community, LangChain text splitter. We require ChromaDB as well, like this is a vector database which is kind of based on SQLite. So the emb folder which you see, it is generated automatically by Chroma database, and it has all the embeddings which it requires. Then we just do pip freeze requirements.txt. First you will have to create this file called redundant filter retriever.py. so basically what this file does is that if there are redundant documents, like if there are similar documents, then it removes those redundant documents. Okay, so you can have no similarity between two documents. So that's what this is used for. So I'm just importing embeddings, Chroma and base retriever. Then this class takes embeddings as well as Chroma, which is our Chroma database. And here you just have we are not really using this method, we just use this get relevant documents. And here we are creating our embedding, passing it to our Chroma's max marginal relevance search by vector method, and we are just passing this lambda mult, which is 0.8 in this case. And inside prompt.py, as you can see, I am importing .env. I have imported Chroma, I have imported OpenAI embeddings, retrieval QA as well, chat OpenAI, and redundant filter retriever from our file. Next, here I'm just loading our envs, like the OpenAI API key, and here I have created our chat OpenAI. I have created our embeddings. Here we are creating our database. So here the persisting directory name is emb, that's why you are seeing it over here. And here we are just creating our redundant filter retriever. Then we are calling retriever QA dot from chain type. We are passing our chat OpenAI. Chain type is stuff and retriever is retriever, and we just call chain dot invoke. Whatever question you want to ask, you can pass it over here, and then I'm just printing out the result. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.